Hello everyone. So again I am Sarika ma'am here to teach you second part of active and passive voice. In this part I will teach you how to convert continuous tense sentences from active to passive. So let's begin it. First one is present continuous tense. You can see the formula on the screen which I have made for you. First object, then is or am or are according to the subject, then being, then verb third form, then by, and then subject. So first example, they are running a race. Let's apply the formula. First one is object. So object is a race. Then is, am, are, what will we use? Is, because it is singular. Then being, then verb third form, run, ran, run. Then by, and then subject, them. Now sentence number 2. She is washing her clothes. Object, her clothes. We'll use are with it. Then being, then verb third form, it will be washed. Then by, and then subject. What is subject? She. So it will be converted into her according to pronoun changes table. So answer will be her clothes are being washed by her. So you have seen class in both the sentences, sentence number 1 also, in 2 also. I just applied the formula which you can see on the screen and it has become very easy. Now let's go with past continuous tense. Same formula will be there, in just in place of is, am, are, there will be was or were. Okay, so object, was or were, then being, then verb third form, then by, and then subject. Example, she was playing badminton. What is the first thing? Object. Object is badminton. Then was or were, we'll use was because it is singular. Then being, then verb third form, it will be played, then by, and then she will be converted into her. So badminton was being played by her. Isn't it easy? Yes. Now sentence number 2. The boys were playing a match. What is object here? A match. Then was, because it is singular. After that being, then verb third form, plays the verb, its third form will be played. Then by, then subject. What is subject here? The boys. So now what will be the answer? A match was being played by the boys. Okay. So here also in both the sentences, sentence number 1 and sentence number 2, I just applied the formula which you all are able to see on the screen. Now let's move to future continuous tense. So class, children, for your information, future continuous tense doesn't change. Yes, it doesn't change. It remains same. So if you are getting any sentence which is of future continuous tense and you have been asked to convert it into passive, then you have to simply understand that this sentence will not change because it is of future continuous tense, and future continuous tense doesn't change. So you can simply write there, it cannot change. Now I will like you to do some exercise. So here is a question for you on the screen. Everyone was blaming us. You have to do it by your own first and then you can match it with my answer. So you can pause the video, think about the answer, and then you can match your answer. First you need to identify the tense. What is the tense here? Was, were plus ing, simple past continuous tense. So apply that formula. First object, then was or were, then being, then verb third form, and then subject. So here is the answer. We were being blamed by everyone. And how did we find this answer? Just by applying the formula. First object was us, it has been converted into we. Then was or were, then being, then verb third form blamed, then by, and then subject everyone. There are few more sentences on the screen. Now you can see this is the mixed exercise. Simple tense sentences are also here and continuous tense sentences are also here. So we prepared our projects were prepared by us. Simple past. Then my mother is reading a magazine is being read by my mother. Present continuous. Sentence number 3, we were making our projects were being made by us. Past continuous. Then sentence 4, my brother will bring a chocolate will be brought by my brother. So which tense is this? The last one, it is simple future. So now you have seen how simply you can do it. I hope you all have understood clearly. And now onwards, if you get the sentences of simple present, simple past, simple future, present continuous or past continuous or future continuous, you can easily do it. That's it for today. Thank